Custom onboarding plans can be created by users that have admin access. This feature requires a paid plan. The advantage of custom onboarding is that specific onboarding plans can be created for individual team members. This ensures that all team members will follow an optimal plan based on their specific background and the requirements of the organization. This is much more effective than generic one-size-fits-all onboarding. To create a custom onboarding plan, go to the main navigation menu. Click on HRO Admin. Click on Onboarding. To create your first onboarding plan, click Create a Template, then give it a name, and optionally enter a description. In this example, I'll create a template for onboarding nurses at a hospital. Each onboarding plan is made up of sections and items. Sections are just a way to break down the plan into different sections. Items are the specific questions or instructions for the end user. Click on Sections and Items and then enter the title for a new section. The section will appear below. You can optionally add a description for the section by clicking Edit Section and then saving your changes. But again, this is optional. To add an item within a section, click Add Item inside the section. Give your item a name and optionally add a description. Select the item type. You can choose between checklist, text response, multiple choice, file upload, and acknowledgement. In this example, I'll choose an acknowledgement. Continue adding sections and items until your onboarding plan is complete. After completing the setup of your onboarding plan, you'll see that it's listed in your templates. The next step will be to assign this onboarding plan to one or more team members. You can do this by clicking Assignments, selecting the template you just created, optionally setting a deadline date, selecting the team members that you want to assign this onboarding plan, then click Assign to User. You'll see a confirmation of the assignment on the next screen. Now let's view the assignment from the point of view of the team member that needs to complete the onboarding plan. Go to the main navigation menu, click HRO, and then click Onboarding. This will display the onboarding plans that have been assigned to this particular team member. Click the onboarding plan to open it, then work through each step. Given that each step may take a lot of time, this form is set up in a way where users are required to mark each step as complete, as opposed to submitting an entire form. This allows users to complete the onboarding process over time, as opposed to do everything all at once. If the final onboarding results cannot be submitted, it's likely because a required field or instruction has not been completed. Users can view the items that have been completed or not completed in a panel at the bottom of the plan. When everything is complete, click Submit Assignment. Now, let's return to the view for the manager that created the onboarding plan and view the result. Click on Assignments, select the team member to view detailed information about the tasks and instructions that have been completed and those that have not been completed. It also includes answers and responses to each item in the onboarding plan.